Modern machinery is one of the important achievements of science and technology, contributing to changing human life. Let's explore the construction machinery that is changing the world around us. 300 largest trucks with heavy equipment, excavator and construction machines of different levels. To start today's video, we will come to the first machine, Menzi Muck M545. The Menzi Muck M545 is a stepper excavator, manufactured by the Swiss company Menzi Muck. This is a special type of excavator, designed to operate on steep and rugged terrain. The Menzi Muck M545 has a weight of 54.5 tons and a maximum height of 18 meters. The machine is equipped with a 19,000cc Cummins QSK19 diesel engine, producing 618 horsepower. It has a hydraulic leg system with 4 legs and 2 extensions with serrated legs. This system allows the excavator to stand and step over obstacles, walk through ditches and streams, or climb on steep terrain. Menzi Muck M545 can operate on slopes up to 80%. Menzi Muck M545 is a special excavator that can meet the needs of construction and mining projects in complex terrain areas. Next, we will learn about another type of modern machinery, fortress shears. Fortress shears machine is an industrial steel cutting machine designed to cut steel plates and steel pipes in terms of hard rock. All fortress steel cutters use a hydraulic system to generate cutting force. This system consists of a hydraulic pump, a hydraulic cylinder, and a transmission rod. The hydraulic pump generates hydraulic pressure. The cylinder converts the hydraulic pressure into mechanical force, and the transmission rod transmits the mechanical force to the cutting blades. The fortress cutter's sharp and precise blades ensure sharp and precise cuts. The electronic control system makes it easy to adjust cutting depth and speed with high uniformity. The E-Mining AG is a large and powerful electric dump truck designed to operate in quarries and mines. It's equipped with 4 250 kilowatt electric motors, providing a total power of 1,000 kilowatts. These motors are powered by a 1,000 kilowatt lithium-ion battery system. The machine has a total weight of 123 tons and a load of 65 tons and can reach a maximum speed of 40 kilometers per hour with an operating range of up to 100 kilometers. E-Mining AG has several benefits over traditional diesel-powered garbage trucks. It helps reduce air and noise pollution, increase fuel efficiency, reduce operating costs, and increase vehicle longevity. E-Mining AG is a breakthrough in mining technology and has the potential to revolutionize the mining industry. The Caterpillar D8T is a heavy-duty crawler dozer manufactured by Caterpillar. It's designed to perform heavy-duty bulldozing tasks, such as trenching, diking, and site preparation. The D8T is one of the most powerful crawler dozers on the market, with an operating weight of up to 102 tons. The D8T is equipped with a Caterpillar C15 diesel engine, with a capacity of 550 horsepower. The Caterpillar D8T has a rugged and durable design and is equipped with a powerful crawler system. The machine is also equipped with a modern control system, helping the operator control the bulldozer easily and accurately. Now we will move on to another advanced machine, the Doosan DX800. The Doosan DX800 excavator is an 80-ton heavy-duty excavator manufactured by Doosan Infracorp. The machine is designed for use in heavy-duty applications, such as mining, construction and land leveling. Doosan DX800 is equipped with a Doosan DL08 V12S45 diesel engine, producing 700 horsepower. This engine offers powerful lift and high fuel efficiency. Doosan DX800 has many integrated safety features, such as a balance control system and collision warning system. The world's largest mining truck, no other machine, is the Liebherr T282. The Liebherr T282B is a super heavy truck specialized for the mining industry. The car is a giant, with a height of 7.8 meters, a width of 7.4 meters, and a length of 15.3 meters. The weight of the vehicle when unloaded is 252 tons, and when fully loaded is 596 tons. The engine of the Liebherr T282B is a diesel-electric engine, with a capacity of 3,640 horsepower. The vehicle can move at a maximum speed of 65 kilometers per hour when unloaded and 40 kilometers per hour when fully loaded. The Caterpillar 6060 excavator is a large hydraulic excavator manufactured by Caterpillar Inc. It is designed for large-scale mining and construction applications such as excavation, material dumping, and demolition. It is one of the largest excavators in the world, with a height of 12.8 meters, length of 21 meters, and a width of 10.4 meters. The 6060 excavator is equipped with a Caterpillar C175 16A diesel engine, with a capacity of 2,500 horsepower. The Caterpillar 6060 is designed to operate in harsh conditions. Another type of heavy-duty crawler excavator from Caterpillar Inc. That is the equally famous Caterpillar 6060 and the Caterpillar 395F. The Caterpillar 395F is a heavy-duty crawler excavator designed for heavy-duty applications. It's equipped with a 6.6-litre Caterpillar C15 ACERT diesel engine, producing 330 horsepower. The excavator has a maximum operating weight of 102,000 pounds and a maximum reach of 118 feet, allowing it to reach hard-to-reach areas. This makes it an ideal choice for applications such as tunneling, bridge construction, and mining. The Caterpillar 395F excavator is a reliable and efficient heavy-duty crawler excavator. The Komatsu 980E has a length of 24.5 meters, a width of 10.2 meters, and a height of 10.5 meters. The vehicle's weight is 2,350 tons, including 650 tons of payload and 1,700 tons of self-weight. With those parameters, the Komatsu 980E truck deserves to be the largest crawler truck in the world. The Volvo EC950F is a heavy-duty crawler excavator designed for heavy construction applications. The excavator has a maximum capacity of 270 horsepower. The Volvo EC950F excavator's maximum power of 270 horsepower allows it to handle heavy-duty construction jobs efficiently. The machine's Volvo D16D diesel engine meets EPA's Tier 4 final and EU Stage 5 emission standards. The Volvo EC950F's maximum lifting capacity of 50 tons allows it to lift and move heavy materials with ease. The Volvo EC950F has a length of 13.8 meters, a width of 3.2 meters, and a height of 4.1 meters, and an operating weight of 48 tons. The machine's size and weight make it stable and easy to move on construction sites. Volvo EC950F is an essential tool for contractors building large construction projects. A heavy-duty crawler dozer that will surprise you is the Caterpillar D11. The Caterpillar D11 is one of the largest and most powerful crawler dozers in the world. D11 dozers range in weight from 88,000 to 109,000 pounds, and a length from 33 to 39 feet, and a width from 14 to 15 feet. It's equipped with a Caterpillar C15 diesel engine with a capacity of up to 850 horsepower. This motor provides the power needed to iron through the toughest materials. The bulldozer is also equipped with a powerful hydraulic system, which can move the dozer blade and ripper with incredible speed and pressure. Today's video will close with the world's largest excavator, the Hitachi EX8000 excavator. The Hitachi EX8000 is a giant size, with a length of 28.6 meters, a width of 8.6 meters, and a height of 10.2 meters. The weight of the machine is 1,000 tons, equivalent to 26 T90 tanks. Hitachi EX8000 is equipped with two Cummins QSK19 engines, each with a capacity of 1,450 kilowatts. The machine's bucket has a capacity of 27 cubic meters for the reverse bucket and 30 cubic meters for the forward bucket. The Hitachi EX8000 can perform shoveling, digging and transporting soil and rock with high efficiency. The John Deere 9900 Veldog series is a perfect combination of modern technology and outstanding features. It brings convenience and high performance to the agricultural industry. Designed and manufactured by the famous company John Deere, one of the leading manufacturers of agricultural equipment in the world. The John Deere 9900 Veldog machine is equipped with advanced technology. Includes an intelligent control system that helps optimize performance and fuel economy. The drive system is designed to deliver optimal crop flow when the motor is operating at its best efficiency. ProStream trimming streams are designed with higher capacity components to deliver high horsepower and higher productivity than ever before. After harvesting, the blades, about 4 meters wide, are folded neatly. The Jaguar 970 is a line of grass cutting and harvesting machines, often used in the livestock industry and animal feed production. According to Class, the new features of the Jaguar 970 are designed to increase production and reduce downtime, and generally provide greater convenience and productivity. According to the manufacturer, Jaguar can move at speeds of 40 km per hour at only 3,000 RPM. Fuel is also saved during harvesting, thanks to the function of automatically reducing engine speed when turning into headlands. Class says that along with reducing fuel consumption, the new ground drive system also generates more hydrostatic power, resulting in greater traction both in the field and on the road. The EPD 540E is an advanced and efficient self-moving pea harvester. The EPD 540E offers the ability to cut and harvest peas quickly and efficiently, helping to optimize agricultural processes. The 4-drum threshing system was adapted by replacing the main threshing machine with an auger. The new design reduces product damage and increases capacity depending on the crop type. At this time, the beans have been harvested. They are transferred to another specialized box to be taken to storage. The Norden MFG2019 machine is designed to save labor for hay growers. The Norden MFG bale accumulation system is used to sort and then move square bales using a machine instead of manual labor. The fully automatic Norden bale accumulator uses no hydraulics or electronics to sort bales. The grass blocks are neatly stacked on the cart and transported to the warehouse for storage. Mechanized orange harvesting makes harvesting oranges simpler and easier than ever. Using advanced technology and equipment, this process optimizes efficiency, reduces labor, and improves product quality at the same time. The truck lifts the workers to every location of the tree. The fruit is gently brought down the chain to the container. This process not only reduces time and effort compared to manual harvesting, but also helps to optimize the yield and quality of harvested oranges. The fruit gently passes through each compartment without being crushed before being loaded into the bag. The peanut harvester is specially designed to harvest beans in an efficient and effort-sorting manner. The harvesting process is quick, saves time, and increases yield. The peanut harvester is carefully designed to avoid damaging or injuring the beans during harvesting. This ensures final product quality and increases commercial value. Thanks to the peanut harvester, farmers can increase production. And expand bean growing areas without significantly increasing labor. After harvesting from the fields, the beans are taken to large containers for storage. In short, peanut harvester plays an important role in optimizing the bean harvesting process, bringing high efficiency to the agricultural industry. Roper Tiger 6S is the latest sugar beet harvester from Roper Fahrzeug und Maschinenbau. The inside of the cabin is combined with a convenient screen and controller system. The farmer only needs to sit inside to drive and operate the screen. The stepless hydraulic and transmission system of this Roper Tiger 6S meter allows for sure operation, even on steep slopes. Its engine can operate at 617 horsepower with a capacity of 15.6 litres and can propel it at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. When under load, it can withstand a curb weight of 33 tons and load of more than 30 tons. It didn't take too much human effort. A large amount of radishes were packed into the back of the truck, and it was quickly brought to the gathering place. Roper Tiger 6 can automatically adjust the depth of the tuber extraction unit to ensure maximum harvest of tubers in the field. The last row of sugar beets are being harvested quickly by the Roper Tiger 6. The apple shake harvester is an extremely useful and advanced device in the agricultural industry. The apple shake harvester operates at the principle of vibration, using special vibration devices to stimulate the apple tree, causing the apples to fall. Next, a specialized vehicle started harvesting apples. The apples are swept away by two counter-rotating front booms. Its use allows for high harvesting rates. To achieve maximum harvest efficiency, it requires a level surface. Transferred to the line and brought to an adjacent storage vehicle. The apples are brought to the gathering place. The apples are then fed up the chain into a larger cart parked outside. After being loaded onto the truck, the large number of apples is transported to the processing site. The DeWolf Mega R3000 series is one of the leading tuber harvesters in the agricultural industry. What's special about the DeWolf Mega R3000 is its high customization and flexibility. This machine is equipped with many advanced features, including an intelligent control system, precise cutting blades, and a sturdy machine frame. The advanced technology of the DeWolf Mega R3000 allows the machine to operate efficiently on a variety of soil types and weather conditions. The ability to optimize performance and minimize output loss is a strong point, helping to improve productivity and profits for farmers. Transplanting large trees, hedges or shrubs is surprisingly simple thanks to the tree spade machine. Trees can be dug or transplanted without the operator having to leave the excavator. The spade is designed with a very short frame, which reduces the need for stabilizers and counterweights. The blades of the tree shovel overlap to ensure clean root cutting and support of the root ball. The machine can be mounted on a tractor or excavator to remove trees short distances or to back off of a truck to move trees long distances. Corn harvester John Deere 9900i is a leading equipment in the field of corn harvesting. Designed and manufactured by John Deere, one of the leading manufacturers of agricultural equipment. The 9900i is highly regarded for its performance, reliability, and versatility in handling and harvesting. This machine helps harvest corn quickly and effectively, providing flexibility in workflow. With advanced technology and a powerful engine, the John Deere 9900i is capable of working effectively over large areas. The 9900i is equipped with technology and equipment that allows customization of speed, blades, and other parameters. It helps with the specific needs of each farming area and soil type. Using a John Deere 9900i corn harvester helps reduce time. And labor compared to traditional manual harvesting, bringing great economic benefits. In summary, the John Deere 9900i corn harvester plays an important role in improving productivity and harvesting efficiently. This is a top choice for professional corn farmers and producers. The same line as the DeWolf Mega R3000, but the DeWolf Mega R5000 is much improved. With its robust design and outstanding durability, the DeWolf R5000 delivers fast and efficient cutting and harvesting. Advanced features help adjust the specific needs and ensure optimal harvest quality. The R5000 is capable of handling larger outputs and has more power than the Mega R3000. This makes the machine suitable for farms with larger output and higher demands on productivity. While just as versatile, the R5000 is more customizable. It helps it adapt well to many different types of products and working conditions. The R5000 is often equipped with more advanced technology. It helps it achieve greater precision in the radish harvesting and processing process. Both the DeWolf Mega R3000 and DeWolf R5000 models are excellent options with their advantages and strengths. Hydraulic vibrating hammer is a vibrating hammer operated by hydraulics. One of the outstanding features of this type of machine is driving piles into the ground, improving the bearing capacity of the foundation. This is a necessary machine in the construction of various projects, such as streets, river embankments, and buildings. Applying new technologies, the hydraulic vibrating hammer uses sound waves or vibrations to significantly reduce and eliminate the ground resistance. Most hydraulic vibrating hammers are equipped with high-quality hydraulic motors and bearings. This is a breakthrough product, revolutionizing the construction and infrastructure development industry. The asphalt paver is a construction equipment used to spread asphalt concrete or Portland cement concrete on roads. It will flatten the material and create slight compaction. The device has many sizes depending on the operating purpose. It comes in many sizes, from small machines to the largest models with a working width of 15.5 meters. Asphalt paver works systematically. Asphalt is added from the dump truck or material handling equipment into the hopper or the spreader. The conveyor then transports the asphalt from the hopper to the drilling machine. The drill places a stockpile of material in front of the screen. The base course takes the reserve material and spreads it evenly across the width of the road and creates initial compaction. Use free-floating backing to create a smooth surface. Material transport equipment combined with the paver creates high productivity and efficiency. Anti-discrimination technology is used in all aspects of material handling. Independent, fully symmetrical drill and conveyor controls. Match the equipment speed to the paving speed. Asphalt paver has become an indispensable tool for construction projects worldwide. Asphalt paver has revolutionized the construction and infrastructure development industry. The bucket wheel excavator is one of the largest ground vehicles ever built. It is used in lignite mining, surface treatment, and heat filtration. The bucket wheel excavator consists of a superstructure fixed with several other parts. Rotatable superstructure with counterweight boom. A large circular wheel with a configuration of scoops is fixed to the boom and is capable of rotation. Substructure with sprocket and transform level or loader. The largest BWE ever built was Tackram's Bagger 293, 93 meters high, 225 meters long. Excavation of 380,000 cuts per day has been recorded. Caterpillar truck is one of the largest truck models in the world. The Caterpillar truck was developed by Caterpillar Corporation and launched on the market in 2008. The main functions serve mining activities and heavy construction activities. Each Caterpillar truck weighs 360 tons. When fully loaded, the total weight of the vehicle will be approximately 725 tons. To be able to transport such a huge mass, the Caterpillar 797F uses the Cat C175-20 ACERT engine model. The car's engine produces 3,793 horsepower. It helps the vehicle move at a maximum speed of 68 km per hour when fully loaded. The vehicle's fuel tank capacity is 7,500 litres. Fuel consumption is 788 litres per 100 kilometres. Under normal operating conditions, a Caterpillar truck can serve up to 20 years. Caterpillar series trucks use mechanical transmissions. Contrast with the diesel-electric powertrain of similar cargo trucks. Although the price varies according to each customer's specifications. But each Caterpillar truck costs around $5 million US. All major vehicle components can be serviced or replaced throughout its life. The digging machine is a heavy-duty soaring machine. It is designed to cut trenches in rocky terrain for underground pipelines and utility construction. A digging machine is the most optimal digging solution for most devices. One large excavator, 90 to 150 tons, can replace up to 15 excavators, 20 to 25 tons. Digging machine reduces the minimum excavation width required. The length is equivalent to the number of cubic meters to be dug, reducing the digging area by at least 30% compared to an excavator. The use of explosives is subject to increasing regulations and restrictions. The digging machine is a heavy-duty soaring machine. A hydraulic excavator is a multi-purpose mechanical machine, mainly used in construction and mining. It operates using a lever mechanism attached to the digging bucket. Then perform the operations of digging, shoveling, scooping and pouring. In construction, excavators are the main type of construction machines in earthworks. In addition, it also participates in site clearance, construction demolition and loading, unloading and transportation of materials. Hydraulic excavators have two types, single bucket excavator and multi-bucket excavator. Single bucket excavators are a group of excavators that work cyclically and repeatedly. The multi-bucket excavator is more improved. It can work continuously. There are unlimited potential applications for wheel saw hydraulic cutting accessory. With its combination of power and sharpness, the wheel saw significantly increased productivity. This type of machinery is known for its superior cutting power and their ability to perform in tough applications. It can cut down to a depth of 1,000 millimeters quickly and efficiently. Caterpillar D11 bulldozer is the largest bulldozer, first introduced in 1986. Since the launch of the D11, Caterpillar has made several important updates and improvements. Caterpillar D11 bulldozer is mainly used for large-scale mining and construction projects. The Caterpillar D11 bulldozer is equipped with specialized accessories for specific tasks. The D11 blade is made from high-strength steel for high strength and durability. Therefore, they are quite suitable for fine grading and moving materials on gentle slopes. Today's D11 operating weight is 229,000 pounds, or 104,000 kilos. Its overall length is 35.8 feet, its width is 10.4 feet on rails, and its height is 14.9 feet. Its huge structure makes it large and horizontally stable machine, especially when moving on mud and snow. The main parts of the crawler chassis are the metal chains. From the rear tiller to the front bucket, the D11 is 34 feet long, 11 feet wide and 15 feet tall. Cat D11 is equipped with sophisticated tracking technology. It has a raised sprocket. A heavy-duty chassis is also designed, especially to reduce scalloping under high abrasion conditions. Bulldozers are machines that perform construction in a series and level soil. They are used to bulldoze soil, rocks, or some other loose materials, serving construction projects and infrastructure development projects. Bulldozers include the main frames, engine, transmission system, hydraulic system, and electrical system. The R9200 mining excavator is a world-class loader. This machinery equipment is famous for its high productivity, outstanding reliability, and true performance of the 200-ton class. The R9200 is equipped with a bucket capacity of 12.5 meters cubed, providing the largest load capacity in its class. An advanced electronic steering system provides intuitive and agile control. This new miner delivers sustainable performance. At the same time, it also provides the highest fuel-burning efficiency. The excavator is a large shear loader designed with built-in durability. Ensures maximum availability over multiple life cycles. With optimized performance and simplified maintenance. This type of machinery allows more materials to be moved efficiently and safely. Cat wheel loaders make material handling and loading safer, faster, more accurate, and more profitable, including main parts, excavator bucket, transmission system, hydraulic system, brake system, steering system, and cabin. This type of machine has the advantage of working effectively when the object to be excavated is higher than the vertical machine level. In addition, it can transport and relocate goods and materials much better than excavators. However, it is not capable of digging rocks or hard materials. Mine clearance vehicles are devices that help create safe paths through minefields. The mine consists of several heavy chains ending in steel balls. The force of the crushing blow on a buried mine is like the weight of a person and causes the mine to explode. The result is safe and causes little damage to the vehicle. Unbelievable, an excavator costs up to $1.5 million US. Join us to learn about this super powerful machine. Cat 994K not only has a huge size compared to normal excavators. With a diameter of up to 4 meters and a width of up to 1.78 meters. They have a 65-litre diesel engine with 16 turbo cylinders. Its most special feature is its bucket with a capacity of more than 40,000 litres. Built to lift 7.3 meters high and reach 3.5 meters. With those huge parameters, the Cat 994K excavator set a Guinness World Record. The Excavator Caterpillar 994K is an excavator used to move heavy materials. Excavator Caterpillar 994K is highly durable and capable of withstanding the heaviest loads. It can move materials easily thanks to its improved power and control. Kobelco Excavator is designed with an impressive blue color as a breakthrough in the industry. They are also known for their high fuel economy, reliability, and smooth operation. 10-inch color display with dial operation and eagle-eye camera for 270-degree vision. The device has an operating weight of 9,280 kilograms. Kobelco Excavator can flexibly adjust at quite high angles.
Thank you for watching all of my videos. Your interest and acceptance is the big thing that makes me want to make more videos. We always listen to your opinions. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. Comment down below and we're always happy to answer. Please subscribe and comment to my channel if you like it and if you want us to convey through our next videos.